This video discusses how to fix the Microsoft Edge browser when it will not launch. So as you can see here, my Microsoft Edge browser is working just fine, but there are times when you double click on the icon for the Edge browser and nothing will happen. And you can try clicking it again and again, it double clicks or acts like it's going to open, but nothing ever launches. So there are a couple ways to try to fix this problem. The first one I would try is I would try to open the task manager. So by right clicking, you can see I'm right clicking anywhere on the taskbar where there isn't an icon. I don't want to launch these icons. I want to click where there's nothing, and then I can say task manager. And inside the task manager, I'm going to grab the Edge browser and I'm going to say end task. And sometimes what that'll do is that will close all the windows, and it's possible you've tried to launch it, and while it doesn't seem like anything's happened, something has actually spawned in the background, but it's like stuck and the service didn't fully start. So you can do this and you can try to go open the Edge browser and see if that works. If that works, great. If not, there's something else you can try. So we'll go there, and then the next thing you could do is I would open up settings on the computer. So that's the Windows button and then the settings key. So in the settings window, we're going to click on apps, and in the apps and features tab, we're going to scroll down until we get to the Edge browser, which is under Microsoft Edge here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this to activate it, and I'm going to say modify, and it's going to ask me for permissions, and I'm going to say yes, and then you'll be prompted with this window here. And I'm going to say repair. And what it's going to do is it's going to go through and try to figure out what might possibly be wrong, update some files, and this can take several minutes, but then you're going to wait for that. And when it's done, it'll automatically launch the Edge browser if it works. If that doesn't work, you can then go down to this Microsoft Edge WebView to runtime, modify it, run through the exact same process. And if that also doesn't work, the last thing I would try is go back to the settings part home, and I would say update and security and run any Windows updates that are waiting. So right now I don't really have anything because my computer just installed some updates last week. But if you have anything here or there's a pending update and you need to reboot, try doing this. Those things should fix your Microsoft Edge browser.